Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Quantum Espresso on Ubuntu. So to start with, I would like to show you how to install Ubuntu in case you don't know. If you are not familiar with Linux, so basically Linux is another choice of operating system beside Windows. And Linux is widely used on supercomputers, so that's why. And usually, if you run the quantum chemistry calculation, you need a big cluster or supercomputer, and Linux is usually the operating system. So that's why it would be interesting to look into how to use Quantum Espresso in Linux. And Linux is actually a big family of these operating systems, and you get different distributions. And if you are not familiar with it, you can go to Wikipedia and search this Linux distribution. You will find some informations. And for example, the Ubuntu and Fedora and OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE you usually find in academics. Yeah? And Ubuntu is a very widely chosen one. And I personally would recommend Ubuntu. It's also fine that if you use any other Linux distribution. And now I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu. If you search Ubuntu, go to the official website, in the download link here, and Ubuntu desktop. Yeah, you need this desktop version of Ubuntu, that is basically the end user version. And in this tutorial, I would basically install this 19.04 version. This is the newest version. If you click here, it will start the download process. Yeah, I will not do it because I have already downloaded it. And yeah, and for the installation, you would probably need a USB stick and burn Ubuntu into the USB stick. And you can use that USB stick to reboot and reboot your computer. So how to do that? There's also one tutorial in an official website of Ubuntu. You can click inside Ubuntu desktop and scroll down to the bottom, and you will find that how to install from Windows, how to create a bootable USB stick on Windows. And there are many steps, but the most important one is that you get the software called Rufus. And this is a small software. It's free and open source. If you click here, you will be redirected, and you can download the software. I also already did that, and let's see. Okay, so this PC downloads. So this is the Ubuntu distribution, and this is Rufus. Okay, so if you already plug in your USB stick, this is my USB stick, and press select, and this is the ISO file that you download. You just keep everything else default, and this you have to select this FAT32 file system, and then you just press start, and it will burn the ISO file into the USB stick, and then you can use that USB stick to boot your system. Okay, so I will not show it here. This will cost some time. I have already done that, and this is the USB stick that I have already prepared. And in this case, you just reboot the computer and boot from this USB stick, and then follow the instructions offered inside. Okay, then I hope after this video you already know how to install Ubuntu, and good luck with the installation, and see you next time.